If you could share my screen one more time, Matt, and I'm just going to try something. You know the old how many R's there are in strawberry?
Yeah. Can you just explain it to anyone on the stream who's not familiar with that?
Okay, so all this talk about AGI, and for a long time, these LLMs, these chatbot, could not answer simple questions like how many letter R's there are in the word strawberry, or give me 10 words that have two R's in them. And they get it wrong. It's the way that words are represented as numbers to an LLM. That's the problem. And the strawberry thing became viral, right? And everyone's talking about the strawberry thing. But then someone wrote this prompt. I'm just going to check if it was true or not. I'm going to do this live. How many G's are there in the word strawberry? Now, maybe they've already fixed it, but we'll see. This is live. There is one letter G in the word strawberry. Beautiful. Do you see a letter G in that?
That's blown my mind.
AGI, right?
Well,
AGI.
like we would expect that the AI has access to the information, what letters are in this word, but obviously it doesn't look at letters in words.
And they keep throwing these buzzwords in like AGI, now ASI, and then you do something like this, and it's like, can you trust it to diagnose someone with medication? Or I mean, it's ridiculous, right? This is ridiculous, and this is ChatGPT 4.0. This is the model that we've just been criticizing for the press release. Yeah, crazy stuff, eh? Crazy stuff.